Inside the extruder, giant screws churn the recycled granules. Under intense heat, the material begins its transformation.
Check the texture on the blue ones.
Noted. The pattern looks slightly off on this batch.
Have you ever thrown away your old bathroom slippers or rubber sandals? What if I told you that those dirty broken slippers could become beautiful floor tiles for luxury homes? Today, you will discover an amazing recycling process that turns mounting of old rubber slippers into high-quality tiles. After watching this video, you may never throw your old slippers away again. Let's see how this incredible transformation begins. This is where the journey starts. Look at this enormous mountain of old rubber slippers. They are bedroom slippers, flip-flops, Crocs, foam slippers, Dunlop slippers, and rubber shoes. They are dirty, torn, broken, and covered with mud and mold. Some have been lying here for many years. Instead of polluting the environment, these slippers are about to begin a new life. The old slippers are loaded into many recycling trucks. Each truck is filled to the top with colorful rubber waste. Soon, this truck will carry the waste to a modern recycling factory. The journey from waste to a valuable product has officially begun. The truck arrived at a huge recycling factory. This factory is specially designed to recycle rubber waste safely and efficiently. Here, modern machines will transform these dirty slippers into something useful again. The trucks unload their cargoes. Millions of old slippers pour onto the factory floor. The piles are so large that they look like colorful mountains. Heavy machines immediately begin pushing the slippers toward the recycling line. Large conveyor belts carry endless streams of slippers into the factory. The belts never stop moving. The recycling process is now fully underway. The slippers enter giant industrial washing machines. Powerful water jets spray them from every direction. The machines rotate continuously, removing years of dirt, mud, and grime. The dead slippers slowly begin to look clean again. Dirty water flows out the washing machine. It carries away mud, dust, mold, and other waste. The factory cleans and filters the water before it is used. This helps protect the environment. The slippers go through a second deep washing. The final cleaning removes any remaining dirt. Now the rubber is clean and ready for the next stage. Quality is very important before recycling continues. The clean slippers travel on conveyor belt toward the drying machines. Workers check the slippers to make sure they are properly clean. The rubber is now ready for drying before it can be recycled into a new product. The clean slippers now enter giant industrial drying machines. Inside the machines, they spin at very high speed, while hot air removes all the remaining water. Soon, every slipper has become completely dry. This is an important step because wet rubber cannot process properly. After drying, the slippers move along long conveyor belts. Workers inspect them carefully. They check that every slipper is completely dry before the next stage begins. Only clean dry rubber can proceed high-quality recycled products. Now the slippers arrive at one of the most powerful machines in the factory, the industrial shredder. This giant machine is designed to cut thick rubber into much smaller pieces. It's strong enough to process millions of sapers every day. The shredder starts working. Its powerful rotating blades tear the sapers apart in seconds. But two sapers, flip-flop, foam, and rubber shoes are all cut into thousands of tiny rubber pieces. What once looked like useless waste is now becoming valuable raw material. The shredder rubber moves along large conveyor belt. The tiny colorful pieces look like endless rivers flowing through the factory. Every color is mixed together, creating a beautiful pattern of recycled rubber. The recycling process continues without stopping. Workers carefully wash the moving rubber flakes. They remove anything that doesn't belong, such as clothes, stone, broken strap, or other unwanted material. Powerful industrial magnets now do another important job. They remove hidden material objects like nails, screws, buckles, and steel pieces. By removing heavy pieces of metal, the factory protects the machines and improves the quality of the final product. The clean rubber flakes now enter giant grinding machine. The machine grinds them into much smaller rubber granules. These tiny granules are smooth, clean, and ready for manufacturing. This is the raw material that will soon become beautiful floor tiles. The rubber granules are mixed with special color pigment and industrial blenders. Automatic machines measure everything with great accuracy. The recycled rubber mix is now complete. It traveled through large conveyor belts into the manufacturing department. The waste has now become valuable raw material. The recycled rubber granule now enter giant industrial extruders. Inside these powerful machines, the rubber is slowly pushed forward by large rotating screws. The journey from waste to a brand new product is entering its most important stage. As the rubber moves through the extruder, it is heated to a very high temperature. The tiny rubber granules begin to melt. Slowly they turn into thick, smooth molten rubber. This melted rubber will soon be shaped into beautiful floor tiles. The molten rubber flows smoothly through the extrusion machine. Every second, the factory produces large amounts of recycled rubber. Automatic systems control the temperature and pressure to keep the quality perfect. Everything is carefully monitored. The hot molten rubbers now flows into hundreds of tiles molds. Robotic machines fill every mold with exactly the right amount of material. The process is very fast and accurate. Every tile begins with the same perfect shape. The filled molds move under giant hydraulic process. These powerful machines apply enormous pressure. The pressure removes air pockets and gives every tile the strength and smooth surface. Every tile spends the right amount of time inside the curing chamber. After curing, the tiles move into giant cooling tunnels. Powerful cooling fans slowly reduce the temperature. Cooling prevents damage and helps the tiles keep their perfect shape. The beautiful colors become even more vibrant. The thousands of finished styles are neatly stacked inside the fat lid. The transformation is becoming clear. The same slippers that were once covered with dirt and mud have now become beautiful high-quality floor tiles. This is the amazing power of modern recycling. This amazing journey began with mountain of dirty discarded slippers that many people thought were useless. Through modern recycled technology, those old slippers were cleaned, shredded, melted, molded, tested, and transformed into strong, beautiful floor tiles. This is the power of recycling. Every old slipper has value when it is recycled the right way. Instead of throwing rubber waste into the environment, we can turn it into useful products, reduce pollution, protect nature, and create new opportunities for the future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this incredible factory journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video